People change like clothes every day, that's messed up.
For real, thing.
But there's nothing on this earth that you can do. More times some things go on in life is the dog.
What up all, this was today it's gonna be on dancehall artist Ding Dong, and it's for a good cause. I am so sorry I did not put up the video yesterday because I was extremely tired, which is a lame excuse but it's a real excuse. However, he was asking for assistance with the young lady by the name of BEYOUNCE FINDLEY, and she has first and second heart blockage problem and had a GoFundMe for $10,000. However, they have met the goal today. Even Cynthia was behind it asking for help, and Ding Dong just want to give a shout out. I actually don't know if being that they're at the 10,000 if the GoFundMe is closed or still open. However, if it still is and you guys still want to put something to it, then go ahead, kid. Don't know, travel expensive and on, you know. Get into what Ding Dong has to say.